Assalamu alaikum, 6th class. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Ms. Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to talk about very interesting topic, digestion. What is digestion? The process of breaking down food material into a various nutrient forms to be absorbed into the animal's body. As we know, when we get food, it is in the form of large pieces which can't be absorbed easily by the cells or used up by the cells in our body. So it must be broken down into smaller pieces which can easily absorbed or used up by the cells. So this process is known as digestion. Only very small molecules of food can absorbed by the body and passes into the bloodstream. Even after a lot of chewing, food still consists of large pieces which cannot be dissolved. These must be broken down or digested into smaller soluble molecules. So digestion takes place in the digestive system. Through digestive system, these large pieces can easily be converted into the smaller pieces and is brought about by the action of chemicals called enzymes. Digestion, which takes place in the digestive system to break large pieces of food into smaller pieces of food molecules by the action of chemicals which are called as enzymes. The enzymes concerned with digestion are contained in the digestive juices which are mixed with food at various points along the digestive system. Our digestive system consists of many parts. In each part, some kind of enzymes are released which mixed with food which converted into smaller pieces. This is our digestive system, which starts from mouth and mouth cavity, then pharynx, then esophagus, then stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and then anus. This is our digestive system through which food can be converted into smaller pieces which can be easily absorbed by the body or different cells which are present in our body. The human digestive system consists of a long tube called alimentary canal. The alimentary canal runs from the mouth. The canal which starts from our mouth and reaches at last point is called anus, plus few organs such as liver and pancreas that produce digestive enzymes. These digestive enzymes break down the large food molecules into smaller food molecules which can easily be absorbed by different kinds of cells which are present in our body. Last students, this is your assignment. Thank you and Allah Hafiz students.